Hey, this is Jessi, lead nurse from SHED. I'm going to talk you through how to administer your subcutaneous medication. Here's what you need to have ready: your medication vial, a sterile syringe with a needle, an alcohol swab, your medication label with directions, and a sharps container for syringe disposal. Always double check your dosing instructions before you get started. Verify the correct medication dosage and instructions found on your prescription label. Remove the vial cap and clean the rubber stopper with an alcohol swab and allow it to dry. Pick up your syringe and remove the orange safety cap and draw in air to the correct dose amount. Insert your needle into the rubber part of the vial and inject air into the vial. While the needle is still inserted, gently turn the vial upside down. With the needle in the liquid, pull back the plunger past the prescribed dose and remove any air bubbles by tapping the syringe gently. Turn the vial upright and gently withdraw the needle from the vial. Clean the injection site with an alcohol prep and allow it to dry. Pinch the injection area. Insert the needle at a direct 90-degree angle and slowly inject the medicine. Withdraw the needle gently and dispose of the needle and syringe safely in a sharps container. If you have any questions about your medication or dose, you can message "Talk to a Nurse" in your SHED member portal and you will be directed straight to the Medical Escalations team inbox. We're always happy to help you.